While addressing the foundation stone ceremony of development projects for South Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Dera Ismail Khan, the Prime Minister said that when he came here a few months ago, water was visible everywhere. The flood victims faced many difficulties, Kalam said. Saw the worst destruction in Kohistan and Tank, in Swat. Hotels were built in the middle of the river which got flooded. The Prime Minister said that there was a large-scale destruction due to the flood, due to the wrong planning of the previous government. There was destruction in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The basic problems caused by the flood have been solved. Until these problems are solved, China will not sit. Criticizing Imran Khan, the Prime Minister said that Imran Khan has tarnished the honor of Pakistan. Gifts are not given to a person but to the country. Had met the Prime Minister said that the gifts are meant to increase the relationship and not to avoid it. The Prime Minister said that even when I took the oath, I did not realize that the economy was in such a bad state. When I took over the government, Pakistan was close to bankruptcy. The coalition government saved Pakistan from bankruptcy. No need. We will keep watch and the people will sleep peacefully at night. The Prime Minister said that the present government has 8 months remaining in which we will work hard. After that, 22 crore people of the Queen will decide whether they will vote for the watch sellers or not. To those who serve, if we get a chance in the next 5 years, we will change the destiny of the country. Pakistan will move forward with hard work and work, not slogans. The Prime Minister said that the incidents of terrorism are resurfacing. I pay tribute to those who carried out the operation. The martyrs are national heroes. I am calling a meeting on the recent incidents of terrorism, the government of the provinces together. It will crush the head of terrorism.